back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to fix some of your smart TV issue and perform a complete factory reset in your Google Smart TV. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you head over to your Google account. So on your home page right here, use your right side arrow, take it to the Google account, and then click on OK. And this is going to pump up right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and then make sure you click on Manage Account. So click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Take your left side arrow key and then switch to the sidebar right here. Then simply scroll down all the way down to where you have Remove. Click on Remove. Then it's going to take you right here, Remove Account. Removing this account will require you to reset your device to default settings. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Remove and Reset Device. Click on that. Then it's take you right here, Factory Reset. This will reset your device to default setting and erase all data, accounts, files, and download apps. Simply head over to Factory Reset and hit on Factory Reset. Then Factory Reset. Erase all your personal information and download apps on this device. You can reverse this action. Click on Erase Everything. Like what you see right here, everything has been fully erased. Then you can start to set up your new Google Smart TV. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to factory reset your Google Smart TV and fix some of the issues with your Google Smart TV. For more tutorial about Google Smart TV like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.